Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good day to Puan Zarina binti Kamarudin, our lecturer for Organization Behaviour subject. Today, our group will present about stress and emotion. But first, we will present about introduction of stress by Mama Afif Fahmi. Let's go.
Hello, Fahmi.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Fahmi, I'm really stressed right now.
Okay.
So, could you please tell me what is the meaning of stress?
Okay. Firstly, the meaning of stress is the pressure people feel in life. Second, a dynamic condition in which an individual is confronted with an opportunity, a demand, or a resources related to the individual disease, and for which the outcome is perceived to be both uncertain and important. The cause of sources of stress, we have three. First, of environment factor. Second, organizational factor, and lastly, individual factor. Okay, the consequence of stress, which is a three types. Firstly, is a physiological symptom such as a headache, high blood pressure, and heart disease. Second, a physiological symptom such as anxiety, depression, and a decrease in job satisfaction. Lastly, a behavioral symptom such as low productivity, high absenteeism, and turnover, as well as changing eating habit, increased smoking, and sleep disorder. And individual difference, we have a three. Firstly, a perception. Second is a job experience, and lastly, a personality, type A and type B. That's all.
Wow, it's so helpful. Thank you.
Hi Fizul,
Oh, hi.
can you tell me what is the relationship between stress level and job performance?
Oh, yeah, sure. Come here. Before I tell you about the graph, I will tell you about the eustress and distress. Okay? Eustress is positive, energizes, generally short-term, and can improve performance. Believe within coping mechanism. Alright? I will explain later. But about distress, generally feels unpleasant, often depletes energy, short-term or long-term, decrease overall performance, outside coping mechanisms. Sometimes we cannot handle the situation and can lead to physical illness, mental fatigue, emotional depletion. So from there, I will show you about the graph. Okay, this is the graph of stress level and job performances. So if you are there are two sides of the graph, and the graph is like a mountain. So if you are on eustress or distress, you will not have a good performances, but you must have in a moderate, I mean in the middle of the graph. So where you are there, you will have optimally stimulated, which will lead to maximum performance. And why is that so? Here it goes. So this is why you will have maximum performances. So because low level of stress, which means it will lead you to low performance, and due to the boredom in performing the tasks that they are not demanding or challenging for you. Alright? Okay. But if you are in high level of stress, it also will lead you to low performance, because too much stress places unattainable demands on a person. Yeah, and your body can't handle it. So it will not help you at all. But if you are in a moderate level of stress, it will lead you to high performance. Why is that? Because resources and energy within an employee are adequate enough to perform the task. So which means your body is likely to have a moderate stress level. They will help you to push your work performance nicely. Alright, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you Fizul.
Next, I will present about managing stress. Managing stress is very important even for individual or within organization. Therefore, there were two types of approaches that we can use: individual and organizational approaches. So first, I will present about individual approaches. That you can slide here. There was slide. Okay. As individual, we may increase the physical exercises such as jogging, playing indoor sports, or anything that can reduce our stress. And next, implementing proper time management techniques, such as we can create a timetable to follow and to manage the day that we want to manage, so we can reduce their stress also. And next is about the expanding social networks. Next, I want to present about organizational approaches. An organization can create a training to their employees. They can hire an expert to manage their job scope, the way they are working, and others. And next, they can improve their communication. Even we can relate it to the training, they can improve their communication also. And next is about cooperative wellness program to check or to seeing how high their stress. They can take the info to how to manage their stress in some organization that they have working. And next is about lifestyle modification programs. This program is very suitable for who is they have low their performance in organization. They can change their lifestyles through the program and make a better lifestyle in the future. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Nazar bin Rawi. I181029557. I will explain about nature of emotions and moods. Emotion, intense feelings that are direct at someone or something which has an object that triggered them. Like I watch a horror movie, so I feel scared and fear. If I watch a best movie and have happy ending, so I feel very happy. Second, moods, feelings that tend to be less intense than emotion and often lack a contextual stimulus. Like sometimes I feel very happy, sometimes I feel very spirit, and sometimes I feel strong and very calm guy, cool guy. Okay, and next I will explain about such of emotions and moods. First, personality. Like me, I have a personality cool guy, so I very cool and relaxed, and that's why I very happy. Second, weather. If a rainy weather, I feel a very calm guy, very restful and quiet. If have a good weather, I feel a very spirit and very happy. And third, stress. Stress like sometimes I not very stressed, so that's I not have a problem. If stress, it affect my moods, feel become moody sometimes. And for social activity, if I talk with my friends, I feel very happy. 5, sleep. I have enough sleep, so if I have enough sleep, I feel a very spirit and very comfortable of that day. And next, exercise. If I very like exercise, and that exercise or workout help me to release stress. And next, age. If someone grow, if someone their age become grow. So that's affect their moods. And lastly, gender. So like everyone know, the male or the guys are very cool and relaxed, and for the female or girl, sometimes they become happy, sometimes they become moody, sometimes they become angry. So that's my presentation. Thank you.
Okay, I can discuss about emotional labor. Emotional labor is a process to manage feeling and expression to fulfill the emotion requirement of a job. This is done so as to product a special feeling in the customer or client that will allow the company or organize to success. Okay, how to having to hide or fake emotion at work? You can to look an individual is expect to follow standard and emotional display. Okay, emotional label you can to look face to face, positive and negative emotion, job characters, individual characters, gender and job autonomy. Okay, next I can to discuss about emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is a ability to understand, use and manage your emotion in positive ways to release stress, communicate effectively, identify with others, overcome challenge and defend conflict. Alright, about emotional intelligence, you can to look self-awareness, self-regulation, empathy, motivation and social skill. This is important for organize to success, but you can use the emotional intelligence in organize. Alright, for conclusion, emotion is a normal for a character have a positive and negative thinking. However, the someone can handle a emotion to success in organize.
That is for our presentation. Thank you.